how windy and choppy it was. Actually, got a couple fun ones. Surprisingly fun.
So it's been 5 weeks since I've gotten to go surf, and there's been waves on the island, and swells picking up, and the report is calling for 2.7, 2.8 meters, which is probably going to be like 8 to 9 foot, hopefully. But it's at a 4 to 6 second period, and probably 30-mile-per-hour winds. So it's going to be super stormy, but that has been my experience if you want to get surf on Waiheke. For those who don't surf, 4 to 6 second period means that it is going to be a lot of paddling and a lot of duck diving to even just make it out. So hopefully I get you a couple waves. We'll see how it goes.
Surf check right now. You can hear me. Pretty nuts conditions. That is what you have to do if you want to get waves on this island. Surf victory at sea. Hopefully I catch one or two. After looking at it a little longer, there's actually a couple sick ones coming in. So hopefully I'll score something. Alright, just have the paddle with this. Gorgeous. Choppy it was. Actually, got a couple fun ones. Surprisingly fun. Oh man. Pretty fun session. Lots of paddling, but I got 1 or 2 waves. So I'm gonna go get warm. At least I'm exhausted.